Alright, in this video I'm going to go over how to update your Sketchfab file with Painter's Sketchfab export. Currently you need to export and you can't overwrite your Sketchfab file. So I'm going to show you kind of a workaround for that. So first thing we need to do is I'm going to go and just make a quick adjustment here. So we'll take our barrel plastic here and we'll just change the color. Alright, so we'll make that red. Alright, and we will go right click, export textures. And to make note of where the file is saving, because this is where we're going to have to reference later in order to find a zip file that Sketchfab or Painter's exporter creates. So I'm going to choose the Sketchfab config, and I'm just going to drop this stuff down real quick. Alright, so I'll hit export and give that a couple seconds to export all the maps. I've got 5 texture sets here, so it could take a little bit of time. Alright, so now we're presented with the Sketchfab dialog box. I've got 2 accounts, and I'm going to actually be updating one from another account, but don't worry, changing this account really doesn't matter, because all we need to do is create the zip file from this export. So I'm just going to go ahead and write test in every field. I'm also going to check it private just so it doesn't publish this test file. Because again, I'm not using this export as the actual export. Currently, you've got to kind of create a new Sketchfab kind of model every time you do this. But what I want to do is I want to keep all this stuff. I want to keep all the annotations, background image, lighting setup, post-process settings, and more importantly, kind of my likes, stars, comments, all that. So let's go back here. Again, just give this a little bit. Okay, so it finished and it brought me to this error page. No worries. Again, I'm not concerned about this actual upload, so I'll just close that. But now that this is done, we get this export successfully finished. If you hit OK, that's fine. I'll show you how to find this. But what you want to do is you want to hit Open Folder. And if you hit OK, just remember this path up here that you have and go to that location. So we'll hit Open Folder, and I don't know why it didn't take me to the actual folder, but this is the folder that I had set. I'm going to scroll down for this model zip. So we'll double click this to extract it, just so we can kind of look in here. We'll check our textures and we'll grab this barrel albedo. So there you can see that the update is in fact changed. So I'll go and just delete this folder there. And again, we just need to know where this model.zip file is. So we'll go back to Sketchfab, and I'm going to hover over the gear here, and we'll go to re-upload. So this is the nice thing about it. We have this file plus materials, and it's just looking for a zip. There we go. The test Sketchfab file that we made is ready, but again, I'm not concerned with that one. So we'll go choose file, and we're going to path to that location. Let's just go back here, Painter Export, hit M for model zip. I'll hit choose. It's going to have my model.dae and all of the images there. I'll hit continue. This is going to go ahead and upload all of those. And once that's done, we can hit continue, and then we'll see our new updated Sketchfab post with all of our tags, descriptions, likes, comments, and all of our 3D settings still intact. Just a couple more seconds. Alright, so we'll just go ahead and hit continue. And then the model is going to process, and that'll take a little bit of time here. In a couple of seconds it'll say, hey, you don't have to wait, just check your model status, and we'll go there and I'll show you where that is. Alright, so yeah, so go to uploads, then it'll give us a list of our files, and you can see here that this file is processing. Once that is complete, we will check the file with the updated texture and with all of our current settings intact. Okay, so the upload is complete. It says, publish. We've got the green checkbox here. We can go click on the model, give it a minute to load, and then we should see our file with the updated texture. Alright, so there we go. We've got that red barrel texture on there now, but all of my background image, my lighting, my annotations, everything is updated. We can see that we've still got the same amount of likes and views and tags, and everything's still intact.